How to fix TikTok profile picture not changing. So if you want to fix the TikTok profile picture not changing, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you just need simply open up your TikTok and try to upload the profile picture. Because if you don't have an internet connection, then you won't be able to upload the profile picture. But even after having the internet connection, if it's still not working, then you can go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you can scroll down. You'll have free up space, tap on it, and then tap on clear cache. Tap on clear, and once you clear your cache, now you can go back, tap and hold on to your TikTok, go with the app info. Under the app info, you can go with storage and cache, and from here also you can clear the cache. After clearing your cache, now you can go back, restart your device. After restarting, it will fix your TikTok profile picture not changing. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.